Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be doing my makeup project pan update with you all. This is my 6th update. I'm going to share with you my progress today on all 7 products that I have in this project pan. Unfortunately, I don't have anything that I have used up completely, which is a little bit sad, but that's okay. I am working on these products and that's what counts. That's the important part here. I feel like I've got like some really weird stray hairs. Just ignore those little. Let's start with our concealer, which is from IT Cosmetics. I used this 23 times this past month, which I feel like is pretty good. I feel like I'm pretty consistent with this product. It's probably the item that I use the most and use more regularly. Just because if I'm not wearing any other makeup on my face, I'm at least wearing concealer. I also just weighed this, and because I can't see through this, I figure I'll show you the weight difference. There's a little bit. Okay, so last month this weighed 7.94 grams, and this month it weighs 7.78 grams. So it went down about, let's see if I can do the math right here. I think that's 0.16 grams. I might be right this time because I actually took a little bit more time to calculate it so that I could share that with you. But I'm still going to put all of the correct usage down at the bottom of the screen just in case I don't do that for all of these. So pretty good progress here. I feel like this is still going to take me a while to go through. I don't know when this product is going to end. I keep thinking it's basically empty, but there's so much air in here that I just can't tell. So it'll continue to be in this project until it is no longer. The next item that I want to talk about is my Revlon eyeshadow in Vintage Lace. And this one, I'll have to show you the before and after pictures because I'm not sure if there's really much of a significant difference. Just by looking at it right now, I can't really remember, but I'm going to show you what it looked like last time to see if there is visual difference. Hopefully there is. But yeah, so this is what it looks like now. I used it 14 times, which is actually quite a bit more than I've used it since the beginning of introducing this product. The only other month that I used this product more than I did this month is in January, which I don't know. Again, I don't know how I did January usage on all these products. It's like crazy amounts, so nothing ever compares to that. But I used it 14 times, which is way better than I've used it since then. I also weighed this product, and last month this weighed 18.61 grams, and this time it weighs 18.32 grams. So not a whole lot. I think that's what, about 0.3 grams usage, about there. I want to say like a fourth left that I have to go, but that's okay. I'm not trying to actually like super rush through this one because I kind of need or prefer a color like this in my makeup look every time I do my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna show you my eye look today because like it's pretty different for me, but I was just playing around, so I'm just gonna show you. Next is my KKW lip liner in nude, and this, nude 0.5. And this one I used 13 times this past month, which I guess is average. I used it more last month, but I still think it's a decent amount, and I'm still happy with that usage number. The weight on this, I feel like didn't significantly change. Maybe it did. So last month, this one weighed 5.95 grams, and then this month when I weighed it, it weighs 5.76 grams. So what is that, like 7, 8, 9, like 0.2 grams, something like that. Also, I do have visual progress to share on this one as well, so I'll insert that image so you can see that. I feel like it's decent progress. I'm actually happy with the way that it's going down and that it went a little bit more than it did last month. I just don't use a lot of it each time, so it'll probably just take me a little bit longer to use up. Next one, basically my fail for the month, is this Victoria's Secret lip gloss. I only use it twice, which is really bad. I was getting really good at using this, and then this past month, I just didn't. So 2 times of usage, kind of disappointing. I actually think that's the worst I've done since introducing this in the project, so Oops, I could not make a new line on this, obviously. I did not use it enough to show any visible progress. So for the weight, last time I weighed this, it weighed 12.76 grams and it didn't really change. This time it weighs 12.7 grams. So I used 0.06 grams with those two uses. Not very impressive. Okay, let's just move on to the next one. Next is from Physicians Formula. It is this quad, but I'm actually working on the brown shade in here. And I did make some visible progress here, so I am going to insert a clip of what it looked like before, and then also show you what it looks like now and show you all the angles, because I have hit side pan. I used this 14 times this past month. I feel like 14 is kind of the magic number here for the ones I did well with. But yeah, I used it 14 times, which is the most I've used this since rolling it in. So that's exciting. I'm very proud of myself for that. And I also weighed this, so I'm gonna share that with you. So last month, this one weighed 38.95 grams. And even though my visual progress is great, my usage progress is amazing, my weight progress is like nothing, because this time around when I weighed it, it weighed 38.9. That means I used 0.05 grams of this. I know it's an eyeshadow, but I used more. Did I use more grams of the other eyeshadow? I did. I used so much more in weight in the other eyeshadow than I did this one. Yeah. Anyway, I'm still happy with the progress. Okay, let's move on. Next is our cream blush from Ulta, and again, I'm gonna show you what this looked like last time visually to compare it to now, but I'm not sure if there is any visual progress. I kind of hope there is, but I feel like last time there really wasn't. So I'm not gonna get my hopes up, but I'll show you what this looks like now so you can at least visually see what it's looking like in the pan. This one I also wore and used 14 times this past month. That's crazy. So I just looked back at my notes and I've used this 14 times since rolling it in each month. So I've used it 14 times each month, every single month. So 14 times seems to be the amount of times that I wear makeup, like a full face of makeup in a month span, which is like half of the month, right? Last update, this one weighed 3.08 grams. And then when I weighed it today, it weighed 9.3 grams. So that means I used 8 plus 7, come on, do the math. 15? Is that 15.15 grams? Hopefully that's correct. It's right here. Last product I'm going to talk about with you guys for my project pan is from Dermablend, and it is their loose setting powder in translucent. And I also used this 14 times, but I didn't have any usage to compare it to, so 14 times. That's going to be what we're going to compare it to next time. I do have a little bit of visual progress to share with you, so I'm going to insert that photo to kind of show you what that looks like compared to last time. I made the two marks, so the first marking, or the top marking, is last time, and then the bottom marking is today, where it's at. And I also weighed this, and last time when I rolled it in, it weighed 67.63 grams. And then today it weighs 66.47 grams, which means I used not quite 1 gram. This one I'm not doing the math very well of, but it's probably the most usage out of all of these, I think. I don't know, it's gonna be right here. That's my progress for this. That wraps up everything. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and have been enjoying following me along with this project and seeing how I do month to month. I think these are fun and exciting. I love filming them. I love seeing my progress. I love like looking at my spreadsheet and comparing all the numbers. It's just really fun for me. So hopefully it's fun for you guys as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these. I'm doing one more project pan, will be my next upload. I do 3 project pans each month that I share with you all. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe if you like project pans. And I will see you all next time. I hope you all have a wonderful and beautiful rest of your day. Bye, everyone.